While there's no literal magic remedy for achieving smooth skin, there are several effective steps you can take to promote healthy and smooth skin, even as you age. Here is an amazing remedy to help you maintain or improve the smoothness of your skin as you get older. Drink a mixture of 1 teaspoon of tomato juice with a teaspoon of olive oil at early morning before any breakfast. The effect of the remedy granted depends on the average skin cycle time, which, in turn, depending on the age of individuals. A skin cycle is the process where a new skin cell is formed at the deepest layer of the epidermis and works its way up to the surface of the skin. On average, a skin cycle is 5 to 6 weeks. At the age of 19 to 21, the process can take 14 to 21 days, compared to a middle-aged adult, where it is estimated to be 28 days. As we grow older, this skin cycle slows to about 45 to 60 days in our 40s and 50s. It can further slow to about 60 to 90 days in our 50s and 60s.